Hello traders. So before we get into this review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Orion EA by Ertac Hassan. First thing I notice is the rental pricing structure. It's available for 1 month at 30 US dollars or 6 months at 150 US dollars, which gives some savings if you are planning to test it longer. It also shows version 1.0 with 5 activations. Now, one thing to point out early is that platform compatibility, you know, um, is pretty important. Okay, and the MT4 version is what we have here. There is no clear indication of an MT5 version. All right, meanwhile, let's just move into the description. And as we can see, the Orion EA is presented as a system that uses indicators to generate both entry and exit signals. So it also gives flexibility on timing, meaning you can control when it is allowed to open trades based on your preferred trading hours. Scrolling further down, I can see it includes a max spread filter, which is important because it helps prevent the EA from opening positions during high spread conditions. All right. Something that can really impact execution quality. There is also a news filter option, which connects through external web requests to avoid trading during high impact news events. Another key part here is the order management logic. You know, the EA can react to opposite signals by either closing profitable trades or opening opposing positions, depending on whether the trade is in profit or loss. Now, there is also an overlap order function, which uses a percentage based recovery approach from the last trade to help manage drawdowns. Okay. We also have, auto lot sizing, grid distance settings, trailing features, and full control over stop loss, take profits, and maximum lot exposure. Okay, so you can see all the input parameters here, and we can also see here as is written to enable news filter, tick the open tools, options, expert advisors, and tick allow web requests for listed URL. Then you add the following. Okay, then press OK. All right, so now we're just going to be moving into the backtest section on the chart. I want to review the historical performance visuals. Let's first of all see what is shown here just briefly, and then we're also going to have to go do our own backtesting ourselves. All right, so this was just a recorded backtesting. Well, we're going to do that. You can see the displayed result here. Some images of the EA in action. But let's just head over to our strategy tester right away. And we're going to be testing the Orion EA on GBP USD on the H1 period. We are using the every tick modeling. All right, and I'm running the test just over the past month. So we have the results here. From an initial deposit of $50,000, there was a total net profit of negative $126.49, and the largest profit was $71.73. The largest loss was $203.76. The average profit was $42.41, and the average loss was $112.85. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. Judging from the average profit and loss, we can see the difference. Okay, and then I can also see that 8 total trades we are taking. The short positions we have 4 with a 75% win rate. The long positions we have 4 with a 50% win rate. So the win rate is not really impressive enough. the win rate actually is not good enough, and the risk to reward ratio is bad. So I am not surprised to see a negative total net profit here. Meanwhile, let's just briefly see the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode right now. Settings remain the same. Let's just see the expert advisor in action. All right. So this is useful for understanding how the EA behaved under past market conditions. Okay, so we can see here the EA had already begun to execute trades, set a take profit. Okay, you can see how this information are being updated, break even, take profit, and all of that. You can also see the buy loss, the sell loss, buy lots and sell lots. The buy profit, sell profit, and then this should be the free margin. Okay, so um yeah, it's important to understand the past market conditions, and also, considering the order layering and recovery logic of this expert advisor. Now, from what I can observe, the behavior is very dependent on market movement structure, especially how it manages sequences of trades during shifts in direction. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a more complete picture across different conditions. Okay, so remember that this test was done over just about a month. So I will recommend that if you are really interested in this expert advisor, you should consider testing it over maybe a year, 2 years, or even more, so that you can be able to capture more market data for the back testing, be able to get a wider range of market conditions. All right, before making any conclusions about the EA. So overall, this is an EA that focuses heavily on structured trade management rather than simple single entry logic. All right, and results will always depend on settings, risk level, and execution environment. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Also, you can feel free to share the video with other trader friends who you feel are going to find it valuable as well. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.